Pangarap and dreams, pursue. Bright eyes, bright eyes. Reach it, always do dream. Visualize, mangarap ka. Pero tuparin mo din, right? Totoo, okay, yes. Pangarap and dreams. The way you wanted it. Go for it, aim it. Reach that goal, that dream of yours. Go. I would say yes. You are on the right path and the right track. Okay. Pangarap and dreams, pursue. Seriously. Pangarap and dreams, pursue. Kung pangarap lang din naman, i-wish mo na yung the best. Pero one thing is for sure. Once na closer ka kay God, mas okay ang life. Ibibigay sa'yo ng panahon at tadhana. Totoo, okay, sige, right, yes, oo, okay. Pangarap and dreams, natutupad, make it happen. Do it, pursue, reach, aim. Goals, life, forever, infinity. Okay, pangarap and dreams. Be free, managinip ng managinip. Pero gawin mong totoo. Oo, okay, yes, opo, okay, right. Pangarap and dreams. I-inspire ang sarili. Magbasa ng books. Books. Libro. Specifically, self-help books. Or Christian books. Yes, okay. Read God's Word. Empower yourself. Okay, do the right things para din sa sarili mo yan. It's for yourself. A special gift sa self mo. Okay, right, oo, yes. Okay, right, oo, yes. Okay, right. Pangarap and dreams, pursue. Wish for it, hope for it, it's in your hands. Let fate bring you there. Okay, right, yes, true, totoo, okay. Pangarap and dreams, matutupad mo. Pag sinabi mong oo, matutupad ito, okay. Pangarap and dreams, aim high, looking up. Things would be better soon enough. Okay, be at your best. Go do it all. But have breaks and rests too. Okay, pangarap and dreams, pursue. Tuparin mo, gawin mo. Take action, do small steps. Or either big steps. Closer to your goal, closer to your goal, closer to the life that you've wanted all your life. Okay, right, yes, totoo. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. Anyone new here, just keep watching sa channel ko. And see you next time.